Hey guys, so today I've made around it's actually a break even trade, so it's like around 30 cents, I guess. Let's check the MetaTrader 5. I made 31 cents in trading. And it's a break even. It's okay. I don't really care. This is like a new strat for me. Kind of like a new strat, kind of like an improved version. I'm trying to improve it. But like now I'm making a few tweaks for now. For now I'm not gonna put trend lines. I'm not gonna like focus more on trend like this. Instead instead what I'm gonna focus on is more on break and retest strat. So how do I know if it's gonna be an uptrend? Well, if this is gonna be an uptrend, it has to break and retest this resistance right here. It has to break this resistance, either break this or this. It really depends on how I see it. If I see it's an uptrend, it's an uptrend. Here, okay, so again, just seeing the market, it's a downtrend, right? Okay, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, we see a head and shoulders. It's a forex pattern. So it's a price action pattern. So if you see this, you see this resistance over here, broke this, went up, retest again. It's a break and retest strategy, plus a trend line break, plus another trend line break. I took a buy with this huge candle. It went up. Then I told myself, I always tell myself all the time, when it does this, went up, does a little bump, and does this, and look at this. It went up, it made the bump, broke this. I took a trade. I don't care. I took a trade. I break even. I don't care. I put my stop loss to here, and look, it went all the way down. And you know what? The thing is, even though there's like what I realize is that even though it's like there's like a pattern or like a reversal pattern, you call this a reversal pattern. The head and shoulders are a reversal pattern. So when I saw that reversal pattern, like look at this, head, shoulders. As I saw that big candle, I took a trade. Saw this bump or this higher low, I break even, and it broke. Look, it broke also. Plus there's like resistance over here. You can see there's like resistance, so I break even. And look, it went down quick. It probably could hit my stop loss. Like, who knows? For now, I'll be focusing on sales more. For now, I'll be focusing on sales more. I'm not gonna think anymore. I'm not gonna look at the pattern. I'm making a few tweaks again. So this is like I'm still like how do I say this? Like I'm still finding a good strat to adapt to this market, and I think I found one. It might be not the perfect one, not be a perfect strat for me for now, but this may work. Cause look at this. Okay, we're gonna erase everything. All right, we're gonna erase everything, so the charts are clean. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna erase everything again. Just erase. Move all 12 drawings. Just remove everything. Alright. Let's just delete this. Delete this. Okay, let's start over again. Hold on. Let me see if I'm recording. I'm recording. Alright. So, you can see that we are in a downtrend. Right? See downtrend over here. For a time frame. Let's see what we're doing for R. We see we got resistance over here. 1 hour. But look at this, guys. See, we got supply over here. No, here we got supply over here. 3 candles, so supply, resistance. It rejected, plus a trend line. Usually, I told myself I'm probably not gonna do this, but now I'm gonna do it again. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Boom. Plus, look, a demand break. I told myself I'm probably not gonna do this again, but I probably will. Cause look at this. Who knows? This strat might not work, but or work. Who knows? But look at this. I could have entered a trade over here. Around around 150, 150. Or let's say here. It has to be above this right here. Hold on. Hold on. There's resistance over here, so you can see there's like a resistance. So around like 100. Yeah, above over here. And yeah, I was actually willing to take this trade right here. I was thinking about it. But then, you know, I already took a trade, so like I don't want to over trade, you know. Again, my strat is I'm going to take 2 trades per week. But like, you know, I want to be sure. So again, what I wanted to do is simple. Go back over here. It's a downtrend, so we gotta. Okay, if it's a downtrend, I'm always gonna tell myself if it's a downtrend, it doesn't matter if there's like a reversal or not. If it's a downtrend, focus on sells. Unless it breaks this. Again, if it breaks this over here, or it breaks this one right here. Actually, this one. If it breaks this, retest. I'm buying. I don't care. I'm buying. Let's say buy over here. How much can we make? Let's say around 100 or 150 pips. It really depends on how the price action moves, and I could make around 1:3. 1:3. So like around $120. Alright, so for now, what I'm gonna do is, again, this is gonna be a sell, so wait for it to go back up. Simple. Or look for a trend line like this, you know, like something like this. I have to see something like this. So this could take, you know, days. This could actually take days. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, this could take days. Days or months, who knows. So yeah, this is good because like I will trade less, right? I'll trade less, save more money. All right. So we got resistance over here. So yeah, we gotta wait for it to break. We gotta wait for this to break because you got resistance. It has to do this, something like either this or like this, because it can't go like this. If it goes like this, it's not I'm still not gonna buy. But if it does this, then I'm buying. Alright, it really depends on price action. I'm gonna be looking more on price action. Plus trend line breaks like this from the 1R. I could do supply breaks too, actually, like this. Wait, hold on. It's either I can do like this, or I can do something like this. It really depends on how the trade works. Like this, I could like, or there's like a candle confirmation. It's either I will trade with candle confirmation, or break. It really depends. So yeah, so let's say if I'm gonna focus on candle confirmation, I see, oh, a big red candle right here. Boom, I'll take a sell over here, put it above around 100, and I could sell around here. 1:3. But for now, you know, I think I kind of made a mistake. It's okay, you know, it's trading. Yeah, I'm still tweaking some stuff to perfect my strategy for me. This strategy might not work for you, but for me this will work. I'm sure it's gonna work. Yeah. And this strat probably gonna work. Again, I'm gonna use a strat that's really good for USD JPY. You know, I want to focus on one currency pair that I like, and it's gonna be this one right here. So again, we're just gonna wait for it to go up here, or have like a mini trend line like this, or a trend line like this. We just gotta wait it out. It could take days or weeks, who knows. Okay, now we're gonna have an update, April update. Okay, so by the way, this is break even, right? We made $4. Hey, it's a win. It's a win actually. You know what? We're gonna count the break even as a win. You know, I'm happy about that. That's a win, guys. I still made money. 34 cents. Hey, that's still money, man. All right, 0.31 cents. Hey, it's still money, man. Hold on. All right. So, around like 1 pip. I guess that's just 1 pip. But it's a buy. A buy. Bro, what? And we could color this. Put screen. Oh, darker. There you go. Then one trade. Alright. So, let's calculate this first, guys. Let's calculate it. How much did we lose? Okay, calculator. Okay, so 47 minus 39.93. Then plus 4.37 plus 0.31. Alright. No, I didn't make what? Wait, guys, hold on, wait. 39 point, oh my gosh, 44.40. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Oh my gosh. Minus. Okay. Alright. So we lost around like 4 point. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. Let me do this first. I hate math. We lost $4. Oh, we lost around like 80. So we lost like around 70 something dollars, right? So like, wait, hold on. 44.47 plus 39.84 minus. So I lost around like $79. $79.72. Damn, I'm pretty bad at math. No. So I lost around $79.72. So around $80. I lost $80. It's not that bad. Again. So let's check MetaTrader 5. My profit right now is negative $66 right now. The whole thing. Like from making $161 than having like a. Actually, I'm having a bad day for 3 months, so that's why I'm tweaking some stuff. Since I'm at the negative for 3 months, 3 months is pretty bad. So again, I have to tweak some stuff. Yeah, I gotta tweak some stuff. So yeah. Damn, I have to calculate this too. Then I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Wow, that's a lot of trades. 7 trades. So 17.9, that's like what, 80 pips. Let's just put 80 pips. Alright. Then how many wins? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 wins. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no. This is by month. Okay, so we won 2 times, we lost 2 times. The break even, I'll call that a win. It doesn't matter. Alright, so yeah, this is my April update. We won for 1 month, then we lost 3 times in a row. But we still didn't lose a lot of money, which is good. As long as you have risk management, you won't lose a lot of money. So, my plan again is to sell. Look for a trend line and sell. Alright, I'll be more patient and see how the market goes. Alright. Okay, so yeah. I'll see you guys next time. I'll be playing some Ghost of Tsushima later. Or maybe I'll just play something else. I don't know. I might play what am I gonna play later? Either Ghost of Tsushima. Yeah, probably just Ghost of Tsushima. And yeah, that's probably it. See you guys next time.